Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. A friend gave me this sheer top, and as you can see, the length is very unflattering on my shorter frame. The original hemline was too long and made my legs look even shorter, but it did have some redeeming features, including the interesting applique stars and detail around the hemline and sleeves. I thought it was worth salvaging. The first step was to shorten the sleeves and hemline. I salvaged the decorative trim from the hem, which I sewed onto the bottom of the shortened sleeves. I decided to keep the hemline simple and not add any trim, so I could tuck it in or wear it out. And here it is finished. The length is more flattering on me. Because I reduced the fabric and took off the trim from the bottom hem, I can now tuck it in. I think the trim on the sleeves adds a cute detail, while the sheer applique looks more stylish without so much fabric. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to rethink a daggy top sitting in your wardrobe. Is it worth a second life? I think so. Let me know in the comments if you need ideas or suggestions. See you next time.